Hey guys, how you doing today? So I got me a new battery charger. This is the YonHan, I guess is the way that's pronounced. It's a 12 and 24 volt intelligent battery charger. And we're going to take a look at this. It's available on Amazon. It is highly rated. We're going to take a look. We're going to hook it up to the car and we're going to see how it works. But we'll go over a little bit of the specs first. So this is a 12 and 24 volt intelligent battery charger. Now, if it's connected to a 12 volt battery, it will charge up to 10 amps max. If it's connected to 24 volts, it'll charge up to a 5 amp rating max. It will do lithium iron phosphate batteries, as well as your lead acid. It does your wet cell, gel cell, your AGM. Has an internal fan for cooling. Kind of see that right there. Comes out the other side, so it keeps all the circuitry cool as it's charging. It is temperature regulated, so depending on the temperature that it senses, it'll go into either more charge or less charge, depending on if it's wintertime, summertime, or what have you. Now, whenever you first connect it to a battery, it will go into a desulfation mode to where it desulfates the battery, and then it will go into its soft charging mode, and then a full charging mode, and then whenever the battery is fully charged, it will go into maintenance mode and maintain the battery. So it's like a trickle charger. So that's kind of what I was looking for. We got a couple cars that we don't drive very often, and I wanted an intelligent battery charger that would maintain the battery and keep the battery charged up, so whenever we do get into the car, we know that the car is going to start. So with that said, why don't we get this thing hooked up to the battery and let's see how it works. One nice thing about it, it does have nice storage. Let me just undo all this stuff. Nice storage hooks here, or whatever you call it, where you wrap your cables up. That way you're not trying to figure out what you're doing with your cables. It is just a single button control. So you hook it up, you use one single button to go through all the different settings in the mode. All right, guys, so I just hooked it up to the battery. The battery is actually in the trunk on this car. So I've hooked it to the positive jump start terminal and then the ground right here. I do not have it plugged into the electrical outlet yet. And you can see that it's showing the voltage, 12.7 volts, and it's showing the temperature. The temperature is in Celsius. I don't know if that's changeable. I wish that it would be able to be changed to Fahrenheit. I don't know if you can. I went through some of the modes with the mode button. I haven't been able to figure that out. So I'm assuming it's only going to display the temperature in Celsius. But nice looking display. You can see that we've got a symbol down here on car. Without it plugged in, you can't really do anything other than look at the voltage, which is really nice that you don't have to have it plugged in to see what the voltage of the battery actually is right now. We're going to plug it in. Now, the DES stands for desulfation. So right now it's in desulfation mode, and once it's went through that for a certain period of time, it will go into regular charging mode. And right now you can see where it's checking the battery, desulfating it. I don't know if we can, yeah, we can select AGM, motorcycle, or repair. So if you've got a battery that's got some cells that are not 100%, go into repair mode, and this charger will attempt to repair that battery. So I'm going to go back to car. We're going to let it go through the desulfation process, and then I'm going to come back and turn the camera on, and we'll go through the rest of the settings on this battery charger. All right, guys, so it's out of the desulfation mode. Now it's showing the temperature, 28C. It's putting 5.2 amps into the battery, and it's charging at 13.5 volts. So it looks like it's doing a good job. Once it gets closer to the full charge voltage, the current should start coming down. And like I say, depending on the temperature, the outside temperature, it will charge at a different current rate. When it's colder, it'll actually put a little bit more amperage into the battery. And in the summertime, it'll lower the amperage. So it seems like a pretty solid charger. I can hear the fan running. So the fan works. Doesn't really feel like there's a lot of heat coming out. I can feel a little bit of air coming out of the side, but it's cool. It's a relatively cool day. I mean, you can see the temperature actually on the deal. I'd have to convert it to see what the temperature in Fahrenheit is, 28 degrees Celsius. But anyway, I'll come back whenever it gets closer to being fully charged and show you that. And we'll see what kind of current it's putting out at that point. So, till then. Alright guys, so it's probably been about 2.5 hours, and I'm not sure what letters these are, but here in the manual, it says that this is test mode. An automatic battery test is conducted immediately after the absorption stage, and it monitors the voltage for 10 minutes to determine if the battery is full or not. So, at the moment, it's monitoring the battery to see if it's full. And a little bit ago I came out, I probably should have filmed it. The voltage was at 14.6. The current, or the amperage, was 1.6. And what was the temperature? Can't remember what the temperature is. I'm not really caring about the temperature. But so far it looks like this little battery charger is doing good. I can feel the air blowing out of the side of it. It's still cool, so it doesn't feel like the battery charger is just really running hot. So whatever comes on the next screen after this is done, then I'll turn the camera back on. It says that this will be ran for about 10 minutes, so we'll see what happens next. All right, so it just detected that the battery's full. Says full there, or FUL, which means full. And it says here that the trickle charge function, the trickle or float charge function is specifically designed to keep charging and maintain batteries for a long time, perfect for idle car or boat batteries, etc. The battery charger will auto-enter trickle charging mode after fully charged, auto-detect the battery voltage, and restart the charging process if the voltage drops below 12.5 volts. So you can keep your battery on it continuously, and once the voltage drops below 12.5, it will bump it back up and keep you full. Anyway, seems like a pretty nice little charger. Seems to work all right. The manual is nice. Does have a 1-year warranty also. So anyway, if you're looking for an inexpensive little battery charger, this would be one that you might want to consider. While we're here, let's just see if pushing the mode button does anything. AGM. This was the repair. You can see the repair flashing. This is going to check the battery and attempt to repair any of the cells that may be bad or damaged. Anyway, you guys take care.